Hello, my name is Tania N. Davis. Welcome to our video presentation of Disciplinary Thinking, being brought to you by the Georgia Department of Education, or Godot. We are going to be talking about ways that we can encourage our students to think beyond just this content that we are teaching them directly, and to begin to analyze and think through and process events in history for themselves. And we're going to do this by having them look through the lenses of four different individuals and their perspective, and learning how to ask questions or wonder about things, challenge what's being presented to them in a sense. Looking through the lenses of an economist, there's our cute little piggy bank with his glasses on. He's thinking about what we're going to be talking about today. How do people earn an income? How can we make decisions about what we buy? Should we trade? Should we barter? How do people get goods and services, and where do they get them from? If I'm looking through the lens of a historian, I might ask questions such as, how do we know about the past? Like, what evidence do we have? What proof of that this occurred? Why did this event happen? What happened before said event occurred? How was life in the past different from life today? And then if I am looking through the lens of a geographer, how am I seeing the world around me? Physically seeing it, right? So what resources are available? What landforms are located in this region or this area? How do people use the resources in this area? How did or does the location of so-and-so's life influence them? As a political scientist, I might evaluate things a little differently. You can see here these lenses have been worn, they've been put back together. Some things have happened. The past has lots of events and occurrences. So let's see. I would be challenging and encouraging my students to learn how to question in a way that asks about the government. What kind of government is in place? Who is a good citizen? Do we need rules? What kind of rules do we need? Are these rules or laws fair? If not, what can we do about it? And what makes someone a good citizen? Those are questions, just some examples of questions that you can ask your students. And not just ask them, but teach them how to ask and question events for themselves. That is honestly, that is the main goal of disciplinary thinking for our students, and us modeling that for our classrooms. Thank you for joining me. I hope that something in this video was very helpful to you. You can engage with us at on our Godot website, community website, or you can engage with us and interact with us on our Facebook page. It is the Georgia Kindergarten through Second Grade Social Studies page, and you can reach me there at my email on the screen with any questions, suggestions, or ideas that you may have. Thank you for joining me. Be well.